Today we have Dr. K here. Okay, Dr. K brought in her son. Her son came in for a hair transplant procedure. Alright, and being a mother, she was very supportive. And being a Muslim, of course, they have to check, whether it's halal or whether it's haram and all that. So, can you share with us your son's journey?
I brought in my son. He had a transplant yesterday. So yesterday evening he came back, was comfortable enough after the procedure, and my son has been thinking about going through this procedure for a long time. So he had discussions with the father and myself, and initially we were not very supportive of his endeavor, but after investigating further, we decided that is perhaps the best choice for him. At 29 years old, he has a long way to go. Perhaps the hair transplant will do him good. When we have good appearance, then we will be more confident to communicate with others.
Okay, Dr. K, can you share with us the religious point of view? Because some people say this is halal, some people say it's haram, some people say this, for Muslim law. So we are also, many people say it's okay.
Actually, we investigated. This is a technological process, no doubt, but the transplant is using our own hair, and it is not like a wig. Yes, we from Sharia principles, because it is going to boost the confidence of someone who is going to move on with life. The hukum is harus. Harus, yeah. So it is not a sinful action. In this case, it is harus. So it can be done with clear conscience that it is not going to be a sinful action.
So I really appreciated that you have supported your son in his journey, because many parents do not do that for their children.
My pleasure.